$20,000 in your savings account doesn't just make you feel better. It literally rewires your brain. And I can prove it with math. The guy sitting next to you at work, same salary, same bills, but he has $20,000 saved and you don't, he's playing a completely different game than you. Not because he's smarter, not because he got lucky, because $20,000 crossed a line that most people never even know exists. When you have zero saved, your brain runs one calculation on repeat. How do I make it to next paycheck? That one question silently controls every single decision you make. You take the job you hate because you could not afford to say no. You never ask for that raise because you need this job more than they need you. But here's where the math gets interesting. Say you save $1,000 every month and earn 8% returns. Getting to your first $20,000 takes 19 months. Hard, uncomfortable, but completely doable. Your second $20,000 does not take another 19 months. It takes only 17 months. Same work, same savings, same risk. 2 months faster because your money is now working alongside you. And when your portfolio hits $400,000, your next $20,000 arrives in just 5 months, automatically, without you lifting a finger. Think of it like a boulder on a hill. Getting it started, that's the hardest part. But once it crests the top, gravity takes over. $20,000 is the top of that hill. Before it, you push against gravity. After it, gravity pushes for you. And here's where most people destroy themselves. They hit $20,000, they feel that shift, and then they blow it. New car, expensive vacation, because it feels like a reward. Stop. $20,000 is not a reward, it's a seed. The average person spends $400,000 to $500,000 on cars over their lifetime. That same money invested at 8% becomes $2.3 million. $2.3 million gone, just to get from point A to point B. So how do you actually get there? 3 steps. Step 1. Kill high-interest debt first. Credit card at 20% interest, paying it off is a guaranteed 20% return. The stock market averages 10%. You cannot out-invest that math. Step 2. Automate everything. Set up an automatic transfer every single payday, even $100. You cannot spend what you never see. Step 3. High-yield savings account. Currently paying 4 to 5%. Safe, liquid, growing. Get to $20,000 here first, then we talk investing. Here's the beautiful truth. $20,000 is not a rich person number. It's a decision that 1 year from now you either made or you didn't. Start the transfer today, even $50, even $100. The boulder does not care how slowly it starts moving. It just needs to start. Subscribe. Every week I break down exactly how money works so you can make it work for you. I'll see you in the next one.